Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to use MOONPAY to buy Bitcoin in 2025 years. Alright, and open MetaMask app. Alright, it's your wallet, and click on right corner browser and this. Okay, open browser and click on search and write moonpay.com and click on go. Alright, open MOONPAY website and scroll down and click on buy crypto and writing. Alright, and write amount and write this, click on done and select crypto. I'm select buy Bitcoin. Alright, and press continue and click buy and follow the instruction. It will show you literally 5 actions and it will be on your balance. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. I hope this video was useful for you. Bye bye.